Hello guys, welcome. Welcome back on a technology welfare. Let's learn and dive with the practical in this tutorial how to recover any Gmail ID that you have lost or it has been hacked by someone, or stolen by someone, and now you don't have a registered mobile number or registered Gmail ID. However, how do you recover of Gmail ID? Only one after knowing the Gmail ID. You don't know password, of course you can recover within 5 to 10 minutes. So how easily you can, let's see now. See, this Gmail ID has been especially device has been lost by someone's, and now my viewer has requested to recover this Gmail ID, so I decided to recover them because there are some of the data on this especially Gmail ID that is a very urgent needed. So now this is a Gmail ID that we will go for next, and here it will ask a password. We don't have a password because of especially lost the device. So now here forgot password we will click here. So now here is a registered mobile number we don't have, so just we will click on here don't have, and upon it says that couldn't sign in you, so we cannot. Once again we will try again, and let's see we have another option or not. We will go for next. Yes, we will go for try another way. See registered number, we will click here don't have. Now once again sanction. Now don't go at. Simply just we will come in now. Play Store. We will have to type here. That is a via browser. We will click via browser. The second options we will choose here. We will close this ones because it's installing now. We will come in a Google Chrome. Just we will select the Google product. We will come the iDot. After coming here, we will go for here in permission. Navigate the location. So just we will select the location. We will select the don't allow anyway. This one's option is very important. We will backs. And upon of course once again we will backs. We will go for set it defaults. We will click here 2-3 times in a clear defaults. This should be open supported link that we will have to disable, and upon once again we will backs. We will come on a Google product, and upon we will select now Chrome. It's time to select now. Hit on a iDot, and upon of course we will click on a permission. We will navigate the location. So let's see don't allow anyway. We will select yes, we will backs, and thereupon of course once again we will back, and we will come in a notification we will have to disable, and upon yes, it's the time to select the browser app. Click on here. We have a wire, this one we have to select, and upon we will backs. Now it's the time to actions now. Just to do a similar step. This is a crucial step. You will have to step on accurate time, and in what way we are doing just a similar strategy we expect from you. Simply click in a setting. We will tap on a Google service. So let's see Google service, and upon we will click in a I3 dot. Of course there is a help option, we will have to pick that one, and upon we will click in a help search bar. Here just simply you will have to write here lost my device. Now here we have a set a fix. This one's here is the options recover. So just we will backs. Now fix the common issues. Just we will select second options. Then of course we will go for recover your account. Last options. Now we have options that tips to a complete account recovery steps. We will have to pick this one options, and upon here recovery account page. Now see guys, here this browser has been opens automatically. Now we will here type that particular ID that we need to select. So let's see. Yes, this ID it was. Just we will here hit this ones, go for next. So now see directly we are welcome back on this especially steps. Now we have the two step, that is especially update password, or second is especially continue. We will have to go for here directly update, or of course we can go for continue also, but let's see. Firstly we will check it out on a update options. What's asking here? Now directly it's giving an opportunity to generate a new password according to your own slides, and of course you can generate new password on. And see here we will write any password. So let's see here, I would like to write any password. So right, this ones we have let me another password to this. I will have, see, once again here we will confirm. Now see guys, here directly if you want then we can skip here also, and directly we can recover it. So if I click save this password, it's asking so that a strong password we will have to generate here. So any strong password, see confirm, and this ones how easily you can, or directly if you want so then we can skip it and we can recover the whole data. Now see guys, not now and setting etc it's asking. So without having the password also, without generating a new password also, you can recover this ID. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys, how easily you can recover the any Gmail ID without having the specially registered the mobile number or the Gmail recovery email. This is all about. The furthermore any inquiry, of course, blindly have the query below the comment box. The pleasure would be to reply your the query guys. And of course it has the benefit to you in any way to spread the knowledge in IT sectors. Then of course don't forget like, subscribe, and the set of this content. So thank you guys, thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.